In 2025, the U.S. manufacturing sector experienced significant challenges. Tariffs on essential materials such as aluminum and steel have skyrocketed, compounded by the uncertainty linked to import and export fluctuations and the overall sluggish macroeconomic environment. As a result, manufacturers have struggled to navigate these turbulent times. When faced with economic uncertainty, they often confront difficult decisions regarding potential excess capacity, which unfortunately can lead to job cuts. Recently, this has affected 600 workers in Sacramento. Blue Diamond is essentially synonymous with snacking almonds for many people. Their iconic tins of salted and often flavored almonds have been a staple on grocery store shelves for decades. The company operates as a cooperative and has been in business for over a century, representing more than 3,000 almond farmers. In response to current circumstances, Blue Diamond has made the decision to close its Sacramento plant and relocate manufacturing operations to facilities in Salida and Turlock. At the heart of this topic is the goal of cutting costs, which is crucial when profit margins are tight due to various economic factors we've previously covered. The Central Valley plants operate at a lower cost, possibly due to factors like property taxes, although that's just an assumption. As a result, they are moving operations to these more affordable locations. Fortunately, Blue Diamond is committed to supporting its employees during this transition. The plant is scheduled to close within the next 18 to 24 months, and the company is offering severance packages and outplacement support to those affected. Additionally, there is an option for some employees to relocate to another plant, which might mean a longer commute, but it provides an opportunity to maintain employment. Almond prices have surged over 50% compared to last year, highlighting the ongoing macroeconomic uncertainties. Additionally, supply has tightened due to smaller crop sizes, exacerbating the imbalance with demand and contributing to the rising prices. Producers such as Blue Diamond are hesitant to increase prices for consumers. The concern is that a significant price hike, like a 50% increase within a year, might deter buyers. Consequently, they focus on reducing costs in other areas, aiming to implement only a minor price increase while accepting a reduced profit margin. It's a challenging situation for them. Fortunately, there are some options available, such as focusing on launching more specialty brands, which they are actively pursuing. Recently, they introduced Honey Hot Almonds in collaboration with Mike's Hot Honey, offering an intriguing flavor that could generate demand. Additionally, they have relaunched their Barista Blend almond milk with updated packaging, utilizing all possible strategies to enhance their market presence. This year, a noticeable trend has emerged with certain foods becoming more expensive. Items like eggs, avocados, affected by tariffs on Mexico, and almonds are seeing price increases. Many people are finding these changes quite frustrating. Today, we're exploring the world of coconut oil and its versatile benefits. Coconut oil is renowned for its nourishing properties, making it a popular choice for skincare and cooking. It acts as a natural moisturizer that hydrates the skin and can also be used as a hair conditioner to enhance shine and manageability. In the kitchen, coconut oil serves as a healthier alternative to traditional cooking oils, thanks to its high smoke point and unique flavor. Embrace the multifaceted uses of coconut oil in your daily routine to experience its full potential. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to The Coconut Mama on YouTube at youtube.com/@thecoconutmama for more.